Daniela, welcome to On the Spot. I've got 6 questions.
Okay.
Answer them how you feel you want to. Number 1, why do you train?
Well, I like the feeling I get after the exercise. I don't know how it's called in English. It's a kind of tricky word, something. I don't know.
Endorphins.
That's the one.
Right. Why do you train at Elements for Life?
Well, this is my first gym ever, and it's almost 3.5 years, and I like it. I love
Just
it.
like your first lover.
Yes.
Nice.
Everybody said, "Oh, you're gonna grow out of it." I said, "Not me."
What type of training do you enjoy the most?
I like the HIIT session the most, but I don't mind the weights as well.
And why do you like the HIIT the most?
Because I like to push myself a little bit harder.
Harder.
Yeah.
What have you learnt about yourself since being at Elements for Life?
Oh my goodness, I learned that I can be so much stronger than I even imagine I can be.
Very strong. 110 kilo deadlift. What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
Just start, come and join us. It's an excellent gym.
Excellent.
Beautiful.
Name 3 things that have supported greater success in regards to your fitness and health.
Well, you and Aaron encourage us, and you designing such a beautiful program. You put so much thought and knowledge in it. Then by the end of the week, all the muscle, the group muscle in our body are kind of disabled.
Is that positive? All right. I think that's 3 things. All right. Thank you very much.